Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we're going to see how to install Yarn on Linux Debian version 11.4. The Yarn is fast, secure, and reliable advanced package management software for Node.js applications that is an alternative to Node.js package managers. Check the OS version using following command. Check the IP address using following command. Enable the Yarn repository by using following command. Once the repository is enabled, add the Yarn repository to the system repository by using following command. The repository is added. Now update and install the Yarn by using following command. The Yarn is installed. Then install the packages of the Yarn by using following command. Once the package is installed, now check the version of Yarn by using following command. Now the Yarn installation has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.